Hi everyone, it's Kelly from Frolic. Foodland Hawaii just launched its Foodland 5, which is a lineup of easy recipes designed to get you in and out of the kitchen in no time. And you only use 5 ingredients to make each recipe. This recipe that I'm about to follow was submitted by Lydia Elwell. So thank you so much, Lydia. Alright, the chicken just came out of the oven, definitely cooked inside, and all the cheese melted. Really good and very simple to make. For more ideas on easy recipes, go to foodland.com/F5. This is Kelly from Frolic. See you soon!